Have you ever noticed how the ocean's edge changes throughout the month, sometimes reaching much higher or lower, and other times barely moving? It is like the sea is breathing, with deep breaths and shallow ones. Weaker neap tides happen on Earth twice a month, specifically when the moon is in its first or third quarter phase. During these times, the difference between high tide and low tide is at its smallest, creating a less dramatic tidal range. The reason for these weaker tides lies in the fascinating interplay of gravitational forces from both the moon and the sun. While the moon is the primary driver of Earth's tides, the sun also exerts a significant gravitational pull. During the first and third quarter moon phases, the sun and the moon are positioned at right angles, or 90 degrees, relative to Earth. This means their gravitational pulls are working against each other, rather than in conjunction, creating a canceling effect. Specifically, the moon's gravity pulls water towards it and away from it, creating two bulges on opposite sides of Earth. At the same time, the sun's gravity is pulling water in a perpendicular direction, attempting to create its own bulges. Because these forces are at a 90-degree angle, the sun's pull partially diminishes the moon's stronger tidal effect, resulting in those less extreme high and low tides. For you, this means that during a neap tide, you will observe less extreme water level changes along the coastline. High tides will not be as high as usual, and low tides will not be as low. This reduced tidal range can affect coastal activities, making it easier to access certain areas or perhaps less ideal for activities that relying on very high or very low water levels. This celestial alignment, where the sun and moon are at right angles, is sometimes referred to by scientists as being in quadrature. Understanding quadrature helps explain why the ocean's daily rhythm is not always the same. It is a subtle but powerful reminder of the cosmic dance influencing our planet. Knowing when neap tides occur helps us understand the ocean's natural cycle and better plan activities around coastal waters. It highlights how the moon and sun, even from millions of miles away, continuously choreograph the subtle movements of our planet's vast oceans.